Would you like to speak in English, but you are very afraid of speaking English? What other people will say whenever I will make mistakes? Don't worry with it. You have to make a lot of mistakes. So whenever you don't mistakes, it's not possible to speak in English. If you practice every day, that way it's possible to speak in English. Just 1 minute. Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm also fine. What's your full name? Well, my full name is Rahat. And what's your full name? My full name is Nazmul Hassan. What should I call you? You may call me as Hassan. And where should I call you? So you may call me as Gune. By the way, where are you from? I'm from Sylhet, which is the most beautiful city. Where are you from? I'm from Dhaka, which is the capital city of Bangladesh. Thank you. What do you do? I'm a student. What do you do? To be honest, I'm a teacher as well as I'm a writer. I have written 2 books, Spoken Fighter and Book Fighter. Spoken Fighter will help you to improve your speaking. Book Fighter will help you to improve your lexical resource. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. And how old are you? I'm 20 years old. How many family members do you have? I have 6 family members. My parents, my 2 brothers, 2 sisters, and myself. How many family members do you have? I have 8 family members. My parents, my 4 sisters, my brother, and myself. What's your father? My father is a teacher. What's your father? My father is a doctor. I feel proud with my father. What's your mother? My mother is a homemaker as well as she was my first teacher. What's your mother? To be honest, my mother is a doctor. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is white. And what's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What's your favorite food? To be honest, my favorite food is biryani. I love biryani a lot. And I try to have biryani twice and thrice in a week. And what's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza, even though pizza is not good for health, but I love having pizza a lot. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. এইভাবে কিন্তু আপনি শুরু করতে পারেন আপনার 1 মিনিটের কনভারসেশন। আপনি যদি এইভাবে 1 মিনিটের কনভারসেশন শুরু করেন, ইনশাআল্লাহ 90 ডেজ এভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করলে আপনি কিন্তু বুক ফুলে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারবেন। তাহলে দেরি কেন? লেটস কিক অফ ইয়োর জার্নি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।